The phenomenon of the four seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, is rooted in the Earth's axial tilt and its orbit around the Sun. The Earth orbits the Sun in an elliptical path, taking approximately 365.25 days to complete one journey. The tilt of the Earth's axis, which is about 23.5 degrees, is the primary reason for seasonal changes. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, different parts of the Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight at different times of the year. During summer in the Northern Hemisphere, the North Pole is tilted toward the Sun, leading to longer daylight hours, shorter nights, and warmer temperatures. Conversely, during winter, the North Pole is tilted away from the Sun, resulting in shorter days, longer nights, and colder temperatures. The opposite occurs simultaneously in the Southern Hemisphere, meaning when it is summer in the north, it is winter in the south, and vice versa. Spring and autumn are transitional periods where the Earth's tilt is such that both hemispheres receive nearly equal amounts of sunlight, leading to moderate temperatures. This tilt causes the Sun to appear at different heights in the sky at different times of the year. Hence, the intensity and duration of sunlight vary, giving rise to the seasons. In summary, the interplay of the Earth's axial tilt and its revolution around the Sun divides the year into four distinct seasons with varying climatic conditions.